Hello everybody, my name is Sean, and today I'm going to be showing you how to construct a lemon battery. In this short video, we're going to need a couple of ingredients. Starting off, we're going to need at least one lemon. Alongside that, we're also going to need 2 pennies, some aluminum foil, as well as 2 plastic coated paper clips. Our first step is we're going to rinse off our pennies using some soap and water. Once we're done with that, we're going to dry them clean with some paper towels. Following that, we're going to cut out a piece of aluminum. So here I have 3, 6, and 9 centimeters respectively, because we want 3 centimeter strips of aluminum. So I'm marking off at each interval. 1, 2, 3. And then from there, we're going to make sure that our strips are at least 20 centimeters long. So along each marking, I'm placing another mark for the length of each strip. From there, we're going to go ahead and cut that out. I made a tiny mistake here. I rolled out a little bit too much aluminum, but I'll make sure I'll have some use for that in the future. But I'm cutting the length of 20 centimeters, and now I'm going to cut the width again to give us our rectangle block of aluminum that we're going to use for our 3 strips. So again, cutting along each marking that I have, cutting out 3 separate strips with diameters of 3 centimeters by 20 centimeters, 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to take each strip and fold it into thirds lengthwise to make sure that we have a sturdy piece of aluminum. So if you just follow like this, 1 fold and 2 fold, and now each strip should be about 1 centimeter in width. So I'm going to do that again for the following 2 strips of aluminum. And now I have 3 pieces of aluminum. Next, we're going to take our lemon. We're going to roll it out on a flat surface. This is to prep the skin in order to be cut and get the juice ready inside. Now I'm going to mark off here where we're going to do our cuts. So we're going to do a 2 centimeter cut in length and about 1 centimeter deep. I used a Sharpie here, but it's a little dull. It only serves as a guide for where to do your cuts. So I'm only cutting about 1 centimeter deep, 2 centimeters across, and 1 centimeter down, I'm going to do an identical cut. Same width and same depth. Just like so. 1 and 2. Next, I'm going to take one of our pennies and place it in one of the cuts. I'm going to make sure that the penny is making contact with the lemon juice. And then I'm going to take one of our aluminum strips that we created and place it in the other cut that we made in the lemon skin. Just like so. Now I'm going to take one of our plastic covered paper clips along with one of the other aluminum strips that we made. And I'm going to fasten it to the penny, making sure that the aluminum and the penny make contact. Like so. Now at this point we've created our first lemon battery. One end acting as the negative end, the other as a positive. The power output of this is so low that you might not feel anything when you connect them, but if you have the capability to measure them, there should be a small output. Now, if we want to make an additional battery out of the same lemon, we're going to take one of our aluminum strips and place it directly into the other side, and we're going to create 2 additional cuts on each side of the lemon. So 1 cut on one side and an identical one on the other. We're going to repeat the same process again. So we're going to take our additional penny, place it into one of the cuts that we've just created, making sure again that it makes contact with the lemon juice. Going to fasten that down with another piece of aluminum and our plastic covered foil. We're going to take our third strip of foil and place it in the final cut. Now we've just created an additional battery out of our lemon. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions at all, feel free to let me know. Thank you for your time.